Embarking on the thrilling journey of entrepreneurship requires a strategic approach to building a business that not only survives, but also thrives. One of the critical decisions entrepreneurs face is selecting the correct legal structure for their business. Starting an LLC is a pivotal step on the path to entrepreneurial success. By understanding the advantages of LLCs and common startup mistakes, you can lay a solid foundation for your business. Stay tuned as we share some advice on why you should start an LLC and what mistakes you should avoid when launching your first LLC. A good advantage of starting an LLC is the legal shield for your assets. None of us want to be there, but imagine your business facing financial challenges or legal issues. Your savings, home, and assets would be in danger if you did not have an LLC. This limited liability protection works as a life insurance, allowing entrepreneurs to take calculated risks without jeopardizing their financial security. A fan favorite is the tax benefit. LLCs enjoy pass-through taxation, a mechanism where the business is not taxed. Instead, profits and losses pass through to the owners, who report these on their tax returns. This simplifies the tax filing process and eliminates the double taxation often associated with corporations. For startups and small businesses, this can translate into high tax savings for their income. LLCs are so great you can even start them with your eyes closed. This business structure is relatively straightforward compared to other options. The paperwork is minimal, and many states allow for a single-member LLC, eliminating the need for complex governance structures. Entrepreneurs can focus on growing their business rather than navigating bureaucratic headaches, making the LLC an attractive option for those who value simplicity and efficiency. Another advantage of starting an LLC is the unique flexibility in the management structure. Entrepreneurs can choose between a member-managed or manager-managed setup. In a member-managed LLC, all owners actively participate daily in the business, fostering a collaborative environment. On the other hand, a manager-managed LLC allows members to appoint managers, streamlining decision-making processes. This adaptability ensures that the management structure aligns uniquely with the business's needs and the skills of its team members. LLCs might be very beneficial, but there are some slight details you still have to watch out for. Some of the common mistakes made by new entrepreneurs can make your entrepreneurial journey more complicated than it should be. The first common mistake involves incomplete and incorrect paperwork during the formation process. Articles of organization, operating agreements, and other foundational documents must be accurate and filed correctly. Engaging with a legal professional or using online services specializing in business formation can mitigate the risk of errors and ensure a smooth start to your LLC journey. Try looking for legal help to guide you around starting your first LLC without risking the integrity of your business by trying to do everything yourself when you are still just starting your journey. Each state has its own set of regulations regarding LLC formation and operation. Ignoring or misunderstanding these regulations can lead to legal complications. Before diving into the LLC world, thoroughly research and understand the specific requirements of the state where you plan to establish your business. Following up is the banking mistake. Mixing personal and business finances is a temptation many entrepreneurs face, especially in the early stages. However, doing so could jeopardize the limited liability protection an LLC offers. To maintain this crucial safeguard, open a separate business bank account so the personal and business expenses are kept separate. This practice protects your assets and simplifies financial record keeping to track how well or poorly your business is performing. Another common mistake is neglecting record keeping. Keeping records is a good business practice all LLCs should do. Failing to maintain accurate financial records, meeting minutes, and other essential documentation can result in penalties and legal complications. Implementing efficient record-keeping systems will save time and headaches in the long run. Try saving documents electronically and physically to ensure your documents are all safe and recorded in case anything happens. Taking all these small hints will set you up with the right foundation before you decide to start your first LLC. The flexibility, limited liability protection, and tax benefits make LLCs an ideal choice for many startups. So, equip yourself with knowledge, make informed decisions, and let the LLC game begin.